How to withdraw crypto on the Binance app. So if you want to withdraw crypto on the Binance app, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and simply launch the Binance app, and what you have to do from there is go to the wallets option first from the bottom right of the screen. Then from there you want to go to the spots tab. From spots you want to go to the withdraw tab. Now once you go to withdraw, you'll find a list of cryptocurrencies that you own. So let's say I want to sell or withdraw my BNB coin. I will select BNB right here, and I have to select withdraw via crypto network or send via Binance email or phone ID. So I can also send to a known crypto address via crypto network. So once I've selected a certain option, the next step would require me to choose a network. So go ahead and then choose the network that you want. Then you can select sending from which wallet, the withdrawal amount, and tap on the withdraw option. Then just confirm your wallet once and for all and tap on the confirm button. Once done, you'll be able to successfully withdraw crypto on the Binance app. This way you will be able to withdraw crypto on the Binance app. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.